Crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. Honestly, this is the easiest Moroccan Harcha you will ever make. First ingredient, 500 grams of fine semolina, 75 grams of powdered milk, 75 grams of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 10 grams of baking powder, 25 grams of honey, and 300 ml of cold water. First, I'm gonna drop our semolina in here, then the powdered milk, salt, and the baking powder. And just mix it up with your hand. You definitely do not need a machine to make harcha. Now I'll add the oil, and then the honey. Then mix it all up with your hand. This in Moroccan we say كتبسبسها. Then add your water. Just mix it all up with your hand. Okay, once I can untangle this plastic, we will cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe. It helps a lot. What I'm gonna do now is take our mix and just shape it into small harishet of roughly 135 grams each. Here I'm using a mold that is 10 centimeters wide and 2 centimeters thick. The bigger than that, it's too big. Smaller than that, for someone like me or for some hungry teenagers, it's just way too small. So 10 centimeters. Very generous amount of medium-sized semolina. This medium semolina just gives you like a nice rough outside texture, reminds you a little bit of street harsha, the harsha you will get from al-mahlaba. It's like street vendor that sells milk products, harsha, raif, Mssemen, and so forth. I'll spread it over a plastic sheet and I'll just take a good bowl and just gently spread it with your hands. Then a very generous amount again of semolina. And you just go in with your hand and just gently shape it. I'm just gonna let the mini harsha sit on the counter for 30 minutes and then we're gonna bake them. So, to cook it, medium-high heat. I have my iron cast because it's gonna do the best job. Otherwise, you can always use a non-stick pan. First thing we're gonna do, just get some oil on the iron cast. Just spread it with a paper towel and a generous amount of medium semolina. I'm gonna take my first mini harsha, flip it right here. And then of course some more semolina on top. I'm just gonna take a little spoon and I'm just gonna shape the sides, just for cosmetic reasons. It normally takes 3 minutes on each side, and the idea is really not to burn through them. Like, you want them to cook all the way through, and you want the outside to look nice, a bit crispy. You can have some scorches from both sides, but you don't want it to burn. Thank you for watching till the end. Please try this recipe at home. It's very easy and straightforward, and it gets you a fantastic harsha. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I was able to do this recipe with a regular semolina. I didn't use Moroccan semolina or Italian semolina. This was something that I could find in a German supermarket. I'm pretty sure if you're in the US, if you're in the UK or the rest of Europe, I'm pretty sure you can make this recipe with very regular quality semolina. That was it for me today. I'll see you in another video. Take care.